At the end of this short video, you will be able to download and install the mobile app, log in, and use its features. Change your presence, along with making and transferring calls. You should have received a welcome email containing a domain name, username, and password. There will also be links to the Play and App Store. This is where you can download the Wildix mobile collaboration app. Alternatively, you can head to the relevant store and download it yourself. Once downloaded, you need to enter the domain, the username, and password into the relevant boxes and select the tick at the top right corner. You will then be prompted to allow permissions for notifications. Please note, if you're unsure which permission to allow, these can always be amended later, so allow all for the time being. You're now logged in and ready to make and receive calls. Now let's look at the app's icons and features. Starting at the bottom left, we have the phone book. This is your own address book of the mobile device. It is possible to link the address book of the Wildix system. We covered this in another video. Next is the history icon. Here you can see calls you have made, your missed calls and voicemails. In the middle you have the blue Home button. We will come back to this in a moment. The speech bubble is where you can find any chats you are involved in. Next is the settings cog. Here you can log out, amend your contact details, access the contact center feature, enabling you to be able to log in to call groups as of when required. Features is where you can change or set the diverts and other available features. Back to the home button / dial pad. If you press the home button, you will see 4 squares. This is your function keys, which are your colleagues or speed dials. There is a limit of 40. Here you can see your colleague's status, call them and start a chat. Changing your status. At the top left of the app is your status and picture avatar. From this you can manage your status by pressing on this icon. Selecting a new status. If you choose either Do Not Disturb or Away, you will be able to set the date and time when to return to the online status. To do this you need to enable the slider. Select a date and time of your return. You can add a description in the box below, followed by the tick icon at the top right to save these changes. You will now be in the status until the return date and time is reached, or you change it back to online. You will also see the offline status. This will disable the app from making or receiving calls. Ideal for when you go on holiday. Please note you will not receive any notifications from Wildix. For example, voicemails, missed calls or chats. This status only affects your mobile app, where the other 3 will affect any other device connected to you. Making a call via the keypad. Press the blue home button and select the keypad icon. Enter number to be called, followed by the green go icon. The call will now take place. Making a call via the function key. Press the blue home button and select the function key icon. Press on the desired user or speed dial to call, followed by call when prompted. The call will now take place. Announce transfer using the dial pad. With an active call, press the hold icon, followed by the home button. Select dial pad. Enter the party's number, then the green go button. At this point the first call will be on hold, and you will be able to announce the call to the destination. To complete the transfer, press the transfer icon, followed by the name or the number you are transferring. The caller will now be transferred. Announce transfer using the function keys. With an active call, press the hold icon, followed by the home button. Now select the function key icon. Press on the party to be called, followed by the call button when prompted. At this point, the first call will be on hold, and you will be able to announce the call to the destination. To complete the transfer, press the transfer icon, followed by the name or number of the caller you are transferring. The caller will now be transferred. Blind transfer using the keypad. With an active call, press the transfer icon. Select number. Enter number for the call to be transferred to, followed by the green go icon. The call will be redirected to the selected called party. Blind transfer using the function keys. With an active call, press the home button. Select the function key icon. Press the party to be called, followed by transfer. The call will be redirected to the selected called party. Features available when on an active call. You can put the caller on hold. To do this, press the pause icon. To retrieve the call back, press the pause icon again. To put the caller on speaker, press the speaker icon. You can return to the earpiece by pressing this again. Muting the microphone. Press the microphone icon with the line going through it. This will now be lit blue. The caller cannot hear you, but you can hear them. You can also video call to another Wildix user with camera capabilities by pressing the camera icon. Thank you for watching our video. For technical support, please email support@nextcoms.co.uk or call 023 8077 0948.